Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change the time zone on your iPhone. So at first, go to settings and here scroll down to the general. Now you have to scroll down until you see date and time. Tap it and now disable set automatically. Here, tap on the time zone, and as you can see here they have it bugged. It's because we can't see the time zones. So here in this text label we have to enter the name of our city. Let it be, for example, Tokyo. Here as you can see we have Tokyo, Japan. If we tap it, as you can see the hour changes. Here as you can see we have this time, and if we tap the set automatically again, the time zone is automatically set to our location. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on this video. It's really important to us to have your feedback. Goodbye!